Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Salad. What comes in our mind when we think of salad? Oh, it's boring. Salads don't have to be boring, and my salad series videos are here to prove it. I often make these salad recipes for a healthy lunch or dinner. Today I will make Paneer Quinoa salad. I have taken half cup quinoa, washed it and kept it to boil in 1 cup water. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will saute some paneer by adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the pan. I have made this paneer at home that I'm going to saute now. We will saute our paneer at least for 2 minutes so that it will turn golden brown. So here is my boiled quinoa. I will add chopped tomatoes in it, chopped cucumber. I will write down the detailed recipe and the measurements. Add chopped pepper. Add some chopped almonds, walnuts, some pomegranate seeds, raisins, and chopped coriander. Add salt as per your taste. Add black pepper powder and squeeze some lemon in it. Add sauté paneer and we have to mix it all together. So it's ready, delicious paneer quinoa salad. Quinoa is gluten-free and packed with nutrients like protein, fiber, as well as antioxidants. And this salad will keep you full for longer. You can have it as a lunch or a dinner or even while you're fasting. Thanks for watching. And please do hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the healthy recipes. Bye bye.